Hello and welcome to Continental Tasty Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make vegetable stir fry, which is very healthy and tasty and is an excellent recipe to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. For my vegetable stir fry recipe, I have taken here some cauliflower cut into florets, some broccoli florets, some baby corns cut diagonally in this way, some carrots cut diagonally, then red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into chunks, now. So I will turn off the flame and drain off the water. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare a quick sauce to stir fry the veggies. For that, take a bowl and into it I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. You can take any hot sauce of your choice. Then goes 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm not adding here soy sauce as I've added oyster sauce, but if you want you can add soy sauce also. Then goes half teaspoon of brown sugar, around 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a splash of water to make it a flowy sauce. Now mix everything well so that all the ingredients are well combined and our sweet, sour and spicy sauce is ready. Next, heat a pan or wok and into it add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot I will add the chopped garlic and saute them till they turn golden brown. Next, quickly add the onion chunks and the 3 red chillies. Next, I will add the bell peppers. Give this a quick stir. And now time to add the blanched veggies. and on high flame. We need to stir them well. Keep on stirring continuously for about a minute. And now I will quickly season the veggies with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, around half teaspoon of black pepper, now give a toss one more time so that the sauce combines well with all the veggies. Finally, I will sprinkle some white sesame seeds. Give this a mix. Then goes the white part and the green part of the spring onions. Now give this a final toss. Friends, this vegetable stir fry looks very colorful, is healthy and tasty as well. That's it. Our vegetable stir fry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our vegetable stir fry on the serving plate, which is not only healthy as it is packed with vitamins and nutrients of so many colorful veggies, but tasty as well. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious vegetable stir fry recipe and enjoy during this winter with your family. Also do share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting, healthy and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.